Namaste. Good evening, everybody. Although I'm born and brought up in Madras, Chennai, I'm a Telugu girl and I speak very little Tamil. So please excuse me that I will talk in English today evening. Good evening to everybody here. And thank you so much to Raviraj sir, to Nirmala ma'am, to Vidya, and to everybody present here, all the dignitaries. It has been a really wonderful and inspiring evening for me. When I accepted this invitation to come here as a guest, I did not know anything about Lalit Kalakshetra. Being a Kuchipudi dancer who lives in Hyderabad, we are in our own world, in our own community. So it's such a pleasant surprise and such an honor that they would call a dancer who's not a Bharatanatyam dancer, a Kuchipudi dancer all the way from Hyderabad to come here and to witness this. So I already see that as a form of unity of art. And I thank you so much and really, really appreciate you for having me here. I thought coming here that I was doing a favor or an honor, but when I come here, I feel the honor is mine. Thank you so much. Something I have to say that I realized today was Raviraj sir and his family's hospitality. Right from the way they invited me to the way they've taken care of me, booked my flight tickets, the way they received me. Nirmala ma'am has received me in the airport, and her son has driven me to the place, and such a wonderful place they've given me to stay. I feel so homely, and it's so nice. And what I realized is, if this is how they're treating me, just a guest, I'm 100% sure that they are so thorough and equally passionate and equally loving to all their staff and to their students and to the programs that they run here. I'm 100% sure of that. So congratulations to all of you and to your family. It's a very wonderful thing to see your entire family here together on the stage. I really, really like that. The second point that I would like to say is, I would like to congratulate all the winners for all the various activities. And those who have not won awards also, I'd like to congratulate you for choosing art as a profession or as a pastime or something you'd like to explore. That itself makes you a winner in life, if you ask me. Because as humans, unlike any other animals on this earth, we are the only ones who have the gift to create and enjoy the beauty of art. So congratulations to everybody here. When I was watching all the various dance performances, I was extremely touched because every dance performance reminded me of some experience in my life or gave me some kind of inspiration. When I saw the first girl dancing her Varnam, I think it's a Varnam, I was reminded of my own Arangetram. And in Kuchipudi, we don't do Varnams, we do something called the Tarangam, which is equally long and equally tiring, where we dance for half an hour, and that is our main piece. So when I saw her dance, I remembered how much hard work and how much passion and how much dedication is required to just put that one piece together, because you need to be good in Abhinaya, you need to be strong in footwork, you need to have good Angashuddha, you need to be able to do everything. The last point that I want to make is I'd like to congratulate you on 25 years of dedication to the art forms. I've been running Nishrinkala only for 8 years, and that itself feels like I've done so much hard work, but 25 years is a very, very long time, and you're doing it with so much happiness and joy and grace, and I'm sure your children will take it up in the future, and your grandchildren, and they'll make sure that it goes on even for a century and more. And that's what I pray. The final thing that I'd like to say is art in India has gone through so many changes because of so many battles, so many invasions, different rulers, the British rule. And we've only had our texts, like the Natya Shastras or Abhinaya Darpana, to refer to how it could have been 2000 years ago. And I think post-independence, all dancers, dance gurus have spent the past 60 years trying to recreate what was there earlier with utmost sincerity. And so much of beauty and so much of progress has been made. And I'm sure that's what you've been doing in the past 25 years, to preserve this art form in the best way that you can. But my wish in the future is, now in the digital age, we no longer have to interpret what was written in the books. Now you have videos, you have YouTube, you have so many ways of recording what is already preserved. What I wish to see in the future, in your 50th anniversary, is I want to see new inventions in dance, using the existing thing. Now we know what is already there and it's recreated. Now using this information, I feel dance and art should have cross-learning. There should be progress in all fields of art. In dance, there should be progress in lighting, in costumes, in makeup, in the music, in the lyrics, in creating new steps. And I feel Lalit Kalakshetra is the right place and right community for such cross-learning and for progress and for invention to happen. So I wish you all the very best, and thank you so much for having me here.